those middlemen, those who are providing financial services, those who have better storage facilities, those who are assisting in sales promotion of the goods, those who are ready to provide after sales services, means such type of middlemen are generally preferred by the manufacturers, and their services are preferred by the manufacturers. So next one is, that is sales potential. Sales potential. Sales potential is also very important, bearing on the part of middlemen. Certain middlemen are there, those who have capacity to meet the targets set by the manufacturers, means they can easily achieve the volume of turnover which is set by the producers. So such type of middlemen are preferred, and the most of the manufacturers, they like the services of such type of middlemen. Next one is, that is cost. Cost you are understanding, the choice of channels should be, even these are made, or these are accepted after considering the cost of distribution through the alternative channels, means if the different channels of distributions are available, whatever the cost is incurred on those channels of distribution, these are compared, the which one is most favorable, means where the cost of distribution is less, that channel is preferred by the producers to supply their goods. Next one is customs and competition. Sixth point is customs and competition. Here under customs and competition, you can see the certain articles are there which are sold through the certain chain of this, like locks are sold on hardware shops. Locks are sold on hardware shops. Generally the people demand such type of articles directly from such type of shops where these articles are generally available. So always such type of goods are sold through the certain shops. So these are called here traditions, and or you can say customs. Competition, even it is also seen if a certain article is to be distributed in the market through those type of channels of distribution which the competitors are opting. So if a competitor is opting a particular chain of distribution, another person who is coming in competition of that seller will have to opt the same type of channels of distribution. So this is also influencing custom, and competitions are influencing the chain of distribution. Legal constraints. Next one is legal constraints. You know that certain articles are only supplied through those chain of distribution which is decided by the government, like these drugs, pharmaceuticals and liquors are sold through the certain shops which are licensed by the government. So for such type of articles where the government decides to be supply certain type of articles through a decided chain of distribution which is decided by the governments, so through that only the goods are supplied. So this way all these factors related to the influence which are concerned to the determination of chain of distribution has been completed, and next P, that is a fourth one, that is a promotion mix, I will teach you in next class. Okay, thanks students.